Okay, guys. Good morning, and we are pushing gradually to the end, and it's been an interesting journey. Just that, like I have been saying, I'm still a bit disappointed with some of our attitude, but I believe we can do it, especially with this last class that we had here. For those of you that have been having problem with your course, this is just an opportunity to at least have something to present to daddy and mommy. As far as the summer is concerned, at least we will be able to build two apps here. So please, I would still like that we turn up. Okay, now just the same way. Okay, sorry, this one is also app design 4. Okay, so just the same, as a way of rounding up the class, let's make a touch on graphic design. Now, this side of the class have been actually overloaded, so I need to filter and refilter because when it comes to graphic design, I think there's a lot to teach. But I just try as much as possible to streamline it down to this, what I have here, to this, because like I said, it's huge, and it's one of those things that has, in so many ways put food to the table, building logo, creating flyers, doing mock-ups, photo editing and all. And it's now interesting when you look at AI, the dynamics of AI, what AI has put into it. It's quite interesting now. So I will try as much as possible to be fast with this class, but it's graphic design, so I might be let me use the word emotional now. Want to talk, want to explain, don't worry, you get the gist. Okay, so we would like you to discard this. Just let's focus on this. So we're going to be working with all of these ones. We're doing CANVA, we're doing POSTERMYWALL, we'll be doing BRANDCROWD, then we'll be doing all these ones. Out of these ones here, these 3 here, we just pick one. The 3 are almost the same. Then we'll do this one. So I'll try as much as possible to do a touch of here and there. Then also we'll do this AI portraits. So I'll try as much as possible to actually, reduce my time working with this. So let's get ahead. Let's start. To sign up with CANVA is quite easy. Let me just open a plain browser here because it's already on that other browser. Just go to canva.com. This is it, canva.com. Hit enter. And of course, this is how you sign in. You see it here, log in, sign up. If you already signed up, you log in. If you not sign up, just click on sign up. And since you have a Google account, just sign up with Google and accept all the cookies. It's good so that it will remember your work and all. So that's it. And now, since like I said, I have it here already. This is my Canva template. Oh, you do not want to see what I've done so far. But let me just give you a glance. For some of you, you'll be able to resonate with some things I'll be showing you. Here, my Canva platform. A whole lot of work, a whole lot of job. Does this thing look like what people have seen before? Yes, it is. These I made this for Apostolic Faith Secondary School. Okay, for those of you that Mr. Azuzu very well, this was his wedding invite done by yours faithfully. And I want to believe you've seen this man before. Let me zoom in where you can have a good view of it. You've seen this man before. Where is it again? You've seen this man before, right? Okay, this was a production for the school. And when I say production for the school, don't think the boy is good though. No, my own level of goodness does not reach that level. For all the things you are seeing here, except it's for my wife, for my child, for people that are close to me. Trust me, I collected money making them. They paid me making them. Except the one I do for my church, my pastor. Anyways, I collected money doing all of that. And this was for my student last year. Somebody did this. I want to believe you should know him from the name. Somebody made this. One of the students I taught, not from AFSS anyway, made this. And it's on and on like that. So let's just get started. Let's discuss the CANVA template. So now let me just roll it back to the beginning. Now CANVA, when I was making this class, they are celebrating their 10th year anniversary. So CANVA has been on for 10 years, and it's been a wonderful journey. They've helped so many content creators to generate content and put it together. And one good thing about CANVA now is that you can use CANVA to make websites. Well, if you want to learn that, but it's what you can just see through and learn for yourself. If you want to learn that anyway personally, you can just reach out to me. I'll give you some guide on how to do that. I hope I will not waste time over this class, but let me just try. Okay, what can CANVA do for you? As far as it is graphic or multimedia design, please, CANVA is your go-to place. Logo, flyer, mock-up, photo editing, mention it, please, guys. Mention it. Now, the beauty is now that you can tailor the content you want to the platform to which you want to deliver the content. For example, maybe I want to make TikTok video. All I need to just type is Sorry, I'm not a fan of TikTok. I know you guys are. So just you can see TikTok video. They will give you templates. Let's say I want to generate YouTube shorts. YouTube shorts. Just by typing it will bring out. You can see YouTube shorts. You just click on it, you see loads of templates. Then that's not the end of it, of course. That's not the end of it. Now, if you want to create whiteboard, you want to create a Facebook post, you want to create a flyer, you want to create a newsletter, please, the possibilities on CANVA are endless. Your dad or your mom work in a corporate setting, you want to make presentation for them, they have a PowerPoint, but it's boring. The way you are looking at it, sorry for this. The way you're looking at it, you want to make it look nice. You have dad or mom that work in retail, and the invoice you see whenever you go to the office, you don't really like it, you can generate a new one for them. You can create a logo. For those of you that might want to pick up a career in music in the future, you can create your album cover by yourself. Postcard, ID cards, channel logo. For those of you that have what's it called, YouTube channels already, invitation card, wedding card, stock of it. I don't know. The caption here is you might want to try. Not this is all we offer. They are just providing you with some of those things they do. Now, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's just pick one. But guys, I need you to be explorative here. If you even click on more, you will see them. The templates are many. We have infographics, we have photo collage, we have desktop wallpaper, we have graphs, we have book cover. For those of you that you are academicians, CANVA is the place for you. Trust me, CANVA is the place for you. Now, okay, let's start. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know. But we'll not do video today. The last class will be for video on CANVA as well. So we'll not do video today. What should we create? Guys, help me. Oh, sorry, you are not with me. So let's create a logo, right? Logo. Are we good? Logo. Now is this when you're even creating a particular thing, you still have the option of choosing, like from their vast repertoire of templates, you still have the opportunity of choosing the type of logo you want to create. Just for example, now when we say logo is logo, but here you can see gaming logo, clothing logo, and if for example I just want to create a tech logo, trust me, I am not losing it. You see, it will immediately change it. If you want to create a teacher logo, oh guys, CANVA is superb. CANVA is superb. But before we go to that, let me just describe the whole interface. Like I said, I now will be emotional. Now, if you want to create a design, you go here. This is your what's it called? Profile. So you can actually refer people. Of course, I'm going to give you a link to join my team. I have a team, and the benefit of being in the team is that you can use some of my assets. If I buy an asset and you don't want to buy it again, you can just use my asset. So if you want to sign out, you can read up their privacy policy, and this you can change this one. Of course, I designed this one on Canva. I placed it on Canva. If I want to change it, I can change it. So they have this. You can download it as app to your desktop. You understand? You can set up your account. You can set up the notification. So the design port, like these are loads and loads of design. If it's business world, if it is education, now they have pricing. Now let's talk about this. The free package. In the free package, you use almost all the elements. I use the word almost because there are some premium templates under this pro that you don't get to see for free package. But for the free package, you get to use almost all their templates. But if you pick any professional content, or if you pick any paid content, you have to pay for it. But if you have a way to navigate not using every of their premium content or every of their paid content, you are good to go. You download for free. So then the pro, you pay a subscription. You can do monthly subscription. You can do an annual subscription, and with that you get to use all the elements for free. All the elements for free. Is a very cheap package. I will tell you the truth though. I do free content on Canva. I do free. I don't pay, but I have my expertise on avoiding their paid content. You understand? Whatever thing I want to get from them, if they cannot provide me for free, I look up for another people that can do it for free. Then I bring it to Canva and it works. Then, like I said, you need to join my team. With that team, if I procure anything for free, if I procure anything, you get to have it for free without having to buy it again. You understand? So that's the way it works. And if you want to learn about them, this is where you go to. So here, this particular icon is what distinguishes free from pro. You can see it here. Try Canva Pro, and whatever project you have, it will be loaded here for you. Whatever template you want to get, it will be here for you. Then they have other affiliate apps. I call them affiliate app because it is not their own. Do you understand? They don't own all of these apps, but they work with all of these apps. They work with all of these websites and all. So you can, from Canva, navigate to these places, and if in case you need anything from them, if you want to have, maybe you are building a website now using Canva and you want to add a QR code. Now we'll get to this one later. We are going to make use of this one. It's working with Canva as well. So let's just go back to it. Like I said, tech logo. Now tech logo. Hit on enter. What's happening? Okay, sorry. So it loads, then it's gonna bring out different templates. It depends on your, okay, let me say this as it's loading. Whenever you are doing digital design, any digital assets whatsoever, the keyword is this. The keyword is this. The keyword is this, guys. The keyword is this. You can't leave it the way you met it. You have to imagine something better. You have to imagine something better. You cannot leave it the way you met it. It's not possible. It's not possible. These are tech logos. All you need to do is to just click on any one of them, change it here and there. So let's start so that I can discuss the inner template of Canva with you. I think I like this. I'm going for this. Okay, speaking of templates, whenever you see any template that has nothing like this, nothing here, you are free to use it. But if you see anyone with Naira, that means there is a particular asset on that template that you have to pay for. The entire template is not premium, but there's a particular premium content on it that you have to pay for. If you use it like that, they will put their own watermark on your logo or whatever thing or whatever asset. Even if it's video, you see their watermark. But if you see something like this, you cannot even use this one at all because it is not free. So if you want to use this one, you have to sign up for, you see, they bring up the other box that, do you want to become a Canva Pro content creator? So, but the one I chose, I actually decided to choose it randomly, not even thinking whether it's free or not. You are free to And please guys, when you are submitting your assignment, I don't want to see tech logo. Come up with your own creative idea, except what you want to create is tech logo. Except what you want to create is tech logo. All right. Like I said, I want to pick this. Then you customize. Now, since I'm not using the app, since I'm using a browser, I'll just click on continue browser. But if you download the app, it's easy to download. Just download and install. It downloads. Now, as this template is here for me to edit here and there, the Canva by default will give me other templates in case I'm changing my mind from what I have to other things. You can see it's going to give me other templates. Why is doing that? There's a certain tab here that you can work with. Now this tab contains different sections. Let's say in this section, as will be seen later, there are loads and loads of things you can do here, like frame, like shape, like graphics, like sticker, many things you can add from here. Then in case you want to change your text, you can see. And when you see text like this, the same thing that is applicable to what I've explained before, it's also applicable to this. You understand? Then you can of course upload your own thing. These are stuff that I've uploaded before, that I've worked on before, or these are assets that I've created before, that I've made use, that I did use before. You understand? When somebody among you now see this, that person will definitely know, will remember something, because I asked the person about it for, well, this was when I was making production for this, and this is somebody I know on this platform as well, Mocha Richard. Everybody see Richard in GSS1. Anyway, we're not going there now. So these are things that I upload. To upload is just click on upload here. If it is picture, if it is video, if it is audio, just upload anything you want to upload, and it will be on your Canva template. And of course you can delete. If you don't want it again, you can delete. Is how you delete. Just an example, move to trash. I'm reserving this one because I'm thinking the school might still want to make use of them, so that's why I'm reserving this one. Now let's go back to our logo. Guys, I hope I'll be able to download Canva into your brain, but it's overloading, like seriously overloading. That's how you change the background. When you want to work on the background, you make sure that you are not clicking on any of these elements. And the same way you work on Ctrl Z, Ctrl Y, you can just do it here, Ctrl Z, it goes back. But I think I like this logo. I like it. Then I'll just change the name to my name. I want it to be my name. With this, I may say I'm done with my logo, but if I don't like it, I can move it here and there. The movement is, you are free to generate. And on Canva you can add pages. I'm done with that page, I want to add another page to create another logo. You don't need to start all the way from the top. You can just pick, say this one now, and drop it in. So on a certain page you can have more than one logo. Nobody is asking you not to have more than one logo. Now, if I want to move all of them together, I will just drag my mouse over it. There is something called grouping. Then I will group to that. I am free to move all of them together. Do you understand? Let me say this for Canva. I'm just going to explain the interface. You guys will do the work, because if I say I should start doing the work for you guys, oh Jesus, 3 hours class is not enough. Do you understand? So let me just explain what you are doing for you. So you can change the color of this one. That's how you change color. The color changes. You can change the color of this one. You can write the text. We talked about that one. You can change the template of the text as well. and then the templates of the text. Or let me just give you guys an open check. You are working on Canva, you are stuck with something, tell me, because God, it's wild. Then with this, if I move this one like this, the spaces on each side is too much. If I move it like this, it will appear as if it has jumped to the side. So I want it to come back to the middle. You go to position and you click on center. Now if I want to place this one here, okay, let me change the color so that we can see very well. Say white. Okay, if I place it on it, the text is on the icon, the logo, but I can arrange it in such a way that the logo will come to the front. You go to position, then you go to layers, and the same is applicable to all your design. Please put that in mind. Every of your design can, whether video, it does not matter. Please, do you understand? So with this now, you can see it's behind the text. That's how it goes. Then you can equally animate. If I want to animate the entire thing, once and for all, just click on animate. Animation templates. You see the animation template. But if I want to animate a particular element, you click on that very element and you click on animate. So this one is not animating the entire thing now. So it's just animating that particular element. So if you're animating that particular, you can just say maybe when it enters, when it exits, I'm moving the animation now. And of course, you can make it faint. That is transparency. And use the transparency, you can increase the transparency. So guys, that is basically that about logo. But logo is not limited to this alone. For every logo you click on, you see other templates of logo. So for your first what we call now, for your first task, you are going to create 2 different logos. For me, I'm saying 2 different logos because you see have other logos you are going to create as far as this class. Your assignment for this class, we are going to end on Friday because the assignment you're having for today is going to be many, numerous, except you finish it before Wednesday. That's when we'll continue. Let's see. And I want everybody to do this. This one, I'm on you. You have to do it. Sorry. Let me put that into that place. Okay. So you want to create a fashion designer logo, whatever logo you just want to create, it's on you. So that's that about logo. Now still on Canva. Let's say we want to create flyer, business flyer, real estate flyer, and in the moment you just type that thing, it will give you dynamics to that thing. Do you understand? And if you are seeing the particular one you know or underneath, you can just choose it as well. So sorry, just like what we had, you can create this. And if you want to see all the flyers there is, be my guest, see all the flyer there is. If you want to start, if you feel you can create your own flyer from scratch, start. If you think you cannot create your own flyer from the start, no problem. You understand? So these are flyers. You know, by now you know what to avoid. You know anything that has a naira sign, there is definitely something there that you pay for. If it is premium like this, that means do not go there except you are ready to sign up for Canva Pro. But how about this, so that I can show you some other things on Canva? So continue on browser. Like I said, it doesn't have to be like that. If you download the app, you just load it straight. Okay. So this like a marketing post, and they are, what are you doing now? It doesn't matter, you do your thing. Like, I want to use what I have here, let me say what I have here on that other one. All I need to do is to highlight everything. Once I highlight everything, I taught you before, group. Once I group, just make it big. Then you can use Ctrl+C to copy. Ctrl+C to copy. When you copy, take it to this place, and I'm taking this as my company now. Ctrl+V. This is it here. So this has become my company now, and I want to, I want to change all of these jargons. This is not my thing. I want to show them that I sell products. Shencko Tech, summer summer sale fiesta, summer sales fair. I think that sounds better. You know, all those trade fair, yeah, something like that. Then you write just anything you want, feel like writing. Come experience the best products at the very best prices, something like that. Is good, isn't it? Yeah. So here I can just put computers. Here I can just put phones. Then here I can just put accessories. That's my logo now. Time 9 a.m. daily. Let's say I'm on to run the trade fair for a week. That's September 24, September 4. Okay, let's do 1st to 7th of September 2023. Then you just stretch this one out like this. So this is my website, this is my phone number. I'm not changing that because it's not real. But I cannot leave this file like this. This is not even my picture. So I need to go get pictures from elements. I can get a computer. Since they have a computer that looks like this, but let me just choose another computer. See, all I need to do is to drag and drop it, because these are called frames. All these ones, they are called frame. And the edges of the frame, you can change the color to match the color of our company. Yeah, to match the color of our company. Something like this. And even the big ones, so let it match the color of our company. There's another one here. Let it match the color of our company. Sorry. Once you observe a mistake, it's not a big deal. Just, do your thing, correct the errors by Ctrl+Z. Okay, this is the color. You can see. So it's not a big deal. I think it matches my color. That is matching my color now. Although I have this arch, but I don't want it to be all arch. I want this part to be what it is. It is my imagination, guys. My imagination. When you are doing yours, do it to your own imagination. So you just write something like, we offer the best all brands of computer. Just come up with anything you feel like writing. Still on that, phones. just drag the phone here or here, then phone accessories. I can't choose all those premium content, so I just run away from it, leave them to their life. I don't want. Computer accessories. And like I said, if you cannot get the picture you're looking for here, this is another way to go. Just go to your browser. It's very simple. Canva can be very stingy, so we have to make sure it's not stingy. Computer accessories. Go to the images, get what you want to. So I think any of these images will do. Just go to copy image, just copy the image. You don't need to download to your computer. It will transfer from the web to your Canva straight. Go back to Canva, then paste, Ctrl V, paste, this is it, then drag it inside. We are good. Drag it inside. So you just change all this text, and you make sure the icon here is computer icon, just to match computer icon. It's just a way to match it up. Computer icon, and you drag. You understand? You put the full icon here, you put accessory icon here, and you are good to go. That is your flyer. Now, one other thing is how to download. I'm done with my pictures, I'm done with my flyer. Just come here. This is the download panel. If you want to preview what you have done, you can preview from here. You see it here. That's previewing what you have done. If you like it, you like what you see, then no problem. Or if you feel like you want to make changes to it, go ahead and make some changes to it. So now there are ways to do it. You can share it on a team. Yeah, everybody on that team will see it. Whatever job I do, my team will use to see it because it's already here. I'm the owner, but I only give them the link. So whoever you're adding, you can allow the person to access it. And anybody you are allowing to access your link, you can give them the right to maybe either make changes to it or maybe not make changes to it. You understand? So you can share it with people, and anybody who is saying it, you can share it on the website. You can just allow the person to view only. You can share it as a template that other people will also get to edit. To understand, it will be part of Canva's template. So in that regard, you are also a Canva contributor. These are ways you can do it. But if you want to download straight to your device, just come here. It will either ask you to select it as PNG or JPEG. You can pick any of these ones. But if you are making it for printing, you have to download as PDF. You understand? That is for images. So you download. Once you download, so let's download this one. Let me download it as JPEG, and you see what will come out with download. So that's how the download goes. The moment is you can just open on your computer and you have it there. Here we have it on our computer, so it's as easy as that. Easy peasy. Okay, like I said, this class will take longer than I expected. POSTERMYWALL, the second one. POSTERMYWALL. I will be very fast with this one because it's more like Canva, but the advantage is that it offers more quality picture than Canva. POSTERMYWALL. I also use it before, so just the same way with Canva. Just click on it. I used to use it before, but the advantage here is that it's a bit technical compared to Canva, but it offers more quality images compared to Canva. So I did this job sometimes, but let's just go back to the basics. Just like Canva too, you continue with your email address. Just like Canva, you continue with your email address, and so these are the work I've done there as well. You see. So I don't know if you know this woman as well. This was her birthday, so something like that. Okay, the same way you do on Canva. Of course, you can reason what this thing also mean here on POSTERMYWALL. Is the same thing. They also offer premium content. So if you use the difference is that they offer all their elements for free, almost all the elements for free. But if you have exceed the number of downloads and you are not on their premium package, every download you make, they will put their watermark on it. They will attach that it is made from them, something like that. So if you want to search for templates, just come with templates just the same way. Let's, for this one, design a church flyer. Okay, I don't know what church you people attend. You can just come up with a very nice flyer for the church, this prayer, anyone you feel like working on, just click on it. I just select this one randomly so that I can explain it here and there. Okay, this is it. Like I said, it offers more quality images compared to what's it called. So if you have your church logo, this is how you bring it in. You go to photo, you have to go to add my photo. These are the photos I've added here. Then you click on upload. Wherever that photo is, just pick it up from there. Let's say I'm going to put this one here now. Just for example, I put it in and it's there. I want you to replace this image here. Just delete it for now because you only uploaded, it will appear on the stage. So click on it, delete. So let's say I want to change this one now. I'll just go to replace. Then it will take me to my photos. I'll just click on this one, then replace it. Of course, I'm supposed to have remove the background, but for the sake of this class, I did not go to the background part. So assuming I've decided to remove the background, all this one will not be appearing there. Then of course I can even see I did the photo by doing some tweaking here over, even though it will not really look what I want. So all this one, you can just click on it and type. So the name of your church, the program they want to host, whatever. Once you are done with it, just come to download. You save your design and you download. Once you download, just like Canva, you have it on your system. But trust me, this one offers more professional and more high graphics images compared to Canva. Canva images can be a bit blurry sometimes, but for POSTERMYWALL, whatever thing you download on POSTERMYWALL, it looks very neat and nice. Okay, let's now talk of logo generation. You want to generate logo, but you don't really want to do it by yourself like the way we're doing in Canva. You just want to allow AI do it for you. Then this guy is your go-to place. All these guys here. Let's check out BRANDCROWD. BRANDCROWD. When you go to BRANDCROWD, all you need to do is to type your business name. Let's say my business name. So I just click on create logos, and it's going to ask me some few things here and there, and you come and deliver all these ones for me. If I see anyone that I like, I'm good. Now I can filter it to make the corporate logo the color I want, and my logo is set. That's all about brand logo. And there are tons and tons. For just my name alone, it generated 1 out of 32 from this. What if this I'm having is just 32 design out of 9,600 possible design for just my logo. So you are spoiled of choices. You have loads of choices to choose from. Or here is your case. Whatever thing you feel like choosing, just click on it. Then you need to sign in. Normal. Then you download. So that is AI logo, one of our AI logo generator. You understand? Okay. This is it. Just make your tweak here and there, and you have your design. Second one is out of these three, I'll just talk about this because the other two are just like this one as well. The difference between this one is that this one will only ask for your name and generate your logo for you, but this one will ask for almost all the information about your website before generating the logo. Let's take LOOKA.com now for an example. LOOKA.com is also AI powered. It's AI powered. So as usual, I'm gonna type my name. So when I say get started, it's going to generate my logo for me. But before it's going to generate it, it's going to ask me some questions. What do I do? Just think of anything you want to be doing. Your choice, your decision. For me, I want to do technology, information technology. You can put a comma if you have multiple things you do. You understand? I want to do retail. That means I'm selling. I want to do education. And just put your thing there. Let me stop at that. Then it's going to give me some design. This is not my design. It's only telling me, did I want any of this design? If you don't want, it's not a big deal. Skip. I don't want it. Then you choose your color. My favorite color has been blue, always. So my slogan, your techie place. So it's going to ask me some symbols. If you don't want, you are free. But I want my symbols to have something that has to do with technology, something that is highly innovative. It's your choice. You understand? It's your choice. I think I'm good with that. Then the magic happens. Just sit back, relax, enjoy. It's going to generate different logo for you. With all this logo, you are free to choose anyone that you like. Anyone that you like. So when you choose it, you just click on it and you customize. I would prefer this. Just select it. You sign up as usual, or you can continue as guest. But you have to sign up so that you can save your assets. What I mean by assets is those things you have worked on. And for the sake of this guy, I'm trying to rush this thing. So you can just do your thing here. With this, it brings you other options of, okay, you don't like this one, you like this one, you like this one, you like this one. You are still free to choose from it. That is why it is called AI. It's called AI. If you want monogram, it's going to provide it for you. Anything, your choice. It responds. So that is it. Now, moving on, the same thing that is happening here is happening here and it's happening here. So that's why I just decided to, jump the other two. You can choose any one of them, so to say. Now let's look at if you want to now make the logo you want to design in 3D format. This is your go-to place. It is called DESIGNFREEONLINE.com. But you go to this section of 3D logos. You go to this section and you can see even from here that it's 3D in nature. You can see here, and from the logos they are offering you want to search, you are free. Just search a particular logo and you start designing. So it's almost the same thing. Like the advantage here is that this one comes in 3D format. You understand? Okay. And you can choose your area of business, what you do, whatever thing you want to do, a wedding planner, vintage wine, farming, travel, transportation, web and IT, sports, spa, whatever. Just choose. You understand? And once you're done, whatever thing you choose, let's say for example I choose this, then you just go to create this and it will create it for you. They will give you samples of how the thing will appear on a computer here, on a tablet here, on a phone here, and if you have letter, how it will appear. And of course, if you are making branded t-shirts with your logo, this how it will appear. So they actually showing you how your logo will come out nice here. So you can just open the editor and start editing. All you need to do is your name, put your name and your brand name. Once you do it work on it immediately. Your techie place. It's done. So it's going to change immediately. It's not waiting. If you still want to make some other changes, you can open the logo editor. And whatever change you feel like making, make it to it. And once you are done making your changes, all these ones are just so you can equally read it up. Whatever changes you want to make, you are free to make. So once you are done making the change, you download from here. So that is that. Then now let's talk about making our images to change to it's not part of our video, so to say, although it's going to generate in video format, but I don't want to actually classify it to image. It's an AI tool that transform your image to animation bit by bit until you are fully animated. But it's going to save the sequence of the animation transformation so that it look like a video. For that, go to this NEUTRALFRAMES.com. NEUTRALFRAMES.com. Sorry. I've worked on it before today. Okay, it's actually here. Maybe I typed the website wrongly over there. Now look at this production. This is my own video. You can see this image. Look at the transformation. It's a 5 seconds transformation. So you can do the same. Okay, you can do the same. So how does it work? How do we get started? Create videos from, you can do it from text. And if you don't do it from text, you can do it from your own video. You can do it from your own portrait. It is not completely free. They have a subscription package. You can sign up for it, but if you don't want to sign up for it, you can just use to learn just create. Then you have to sign up. But since I signed up here already, once you sign up, this is what you do. So it's going to bring out this dialog box. You put your picture here, and it's going to bring up your dialog box and this timeline on the time frame on the bottom. So you just put your picture here. You see where you put your picture. You see where you place your picture, and you decide what you want the thing to look like. When you put your picture, it's going to generate what it's looking like. Say the close up of a person wearing a suit and a tie, which is true, a photocopy inspired by blah blah blah. So from there, you now tell what you want it to generate for you and the sequence. then it's going to start the generation. So when it's done with the generation, you just play, and then you see something like this. So it's quite simple too. It's quite simple. It's not that hard. So that is neural frames. Then finally, instant portrait. The last one we're going to touch on today is the instant portrait. For instant portrait, it's going to generate what's it called? Okay, I also made a mistake copying that. Okay. Instant portrait is this website, INSTANT-POTRAIT. You can see. So let me place it here afresh. Okay, I put an S there. Sorry, I put an S there. You can download it on Play Store or apps on App Store. But if you don't want to download it from those places, just click on selfie. That is you using the web version. Are you a male, or if you know it's going to ask you, say are you a male, and just let it do its thing, and this is the result. If you don't like it, click on new. It's going to generate the image for you again and again and again and again, as many times as you want. In case you don't like that, I still don't like it. I still do not like it. I don't know why this thing is actually giving me this face. It does not really look like me, does it? Except for the mustache, right? This one looks a bit like me. Yeah. So only that is giving me dada. It's giving me dada. I don't want the dreadlock. I don't like it. So just in any case, you are done with this. You download. That's your portrait. So guys, we've been able to cover all of it. I hope not really spend much time, but in any case, it's for the good. Okay, finally on Canva. Sorry, before I go, you can do photo collage. Photo album, photo collage, photo book, anything. With that, it's just a question of designing a photo. Okay, let's just do photo card. Something nice for you. You see, maybe your parents are having their anniversary. You can do this. All you need to do is get it. This I use for my for my birthday. I think last 3 years. This I used for my birthday last week. It's your choice to use whatever thing that you feel you want to use. Your graduation. In any case, you want to use any one of it, just click on it. Let's say I want to use this one now. Customize. So to change the pictures is quite simple. Just go, if you have your own pictures, just go to your upload. Drag the picture you want there. You see, drag the picture you want here. So as many pictures in your family that you want to put there, just put it there. That's how you create it. You know the download process already. So guys, I try to reduce this class. Like I said, it is graphics class, so it's more of my thing, sort of. So for this, you are having 5 tasks. For these 3 tasks, I'll give you enough time for this. Just create one here, one out of these ones, maybe one here too. For this one, as many you want to create, you are free as well, but just let me have one from here. So you have 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 tasks, guys. 13. It must be submitted on or before the next 3 days. It must be submitted. So we'll have our last class come the end of this week. Guys, thank you, and I know you do well with this, and this is for everybody. Whether or not your code is having issue, we'll come back to that later. So from me to you, okay, let me explain this one. For the 5 tasks you have in here, you're going to create 2 logos or 2 flyers and 1 photo card, or you can mix it anyhow. Just I want to see 2 logos, at least 2 logos from Canva. Then you can mix the rest, maybe 1 photo card and 1 flyer and 2 flyers. You can create ID card, anything, ID card, business card, whatever. Just create something. It doesn't have to be what I've taught you. Look into Canva here and there. If it's 1 logo that you created and every other, the remaining 4 are separate things that I did not teach you, I welcome it. I will be glad to have it. Please, guys, 5 projects on Canva, 3 on POSTERMYWALL, and 1 each on BRANDCROWD, LOOKA.com, a design free logo online, NEUTRALFRAMES, and INSTANT-POTRAIT. So guys, that will be from me to you. Thank you, and see your task later before the next class on when it's going to be. Thank you.